Labilang aduang kayanakang babayi at dadapulo hanggang 10 metong, ding miligligan keng public speaking competition ang merapat keng Katle Garden Villas, San Nicolas I, Guagua, Pampanga, Lunes, 6 na Nobyembre. Inorganisahan ni Soroptimist International o SI of Guagua ing mesabing aktibidad.
I have goosebumps every time I remember when I spoke to them for the first time and then narinig ko sila sa first press tour nila kahapon. They had a radio guesting. Goosebumps talaga. I am so proud of all 12 of them. Especially how vocal they are, how articulate, and parang ano talaga parang they are well prepared for this. And mind you, we only have less than 45 days to inform them that there is this competition. And would you like to join? Yun, ready sila.
Sinentro la karemiyalo ang topic kalupanan ng discrimination, climate change, budgeting at aliwapa, rempiesa da rin participants.
What we like about this is that visible and vocal really says a lot about who they are now. They are young, yes, but they are now visible. They are vocal about their opinions to be accepted and to be parang global and awareness na rin of what's happening in the world.
Agpang kang Mayor Tonton Torres ng Guagua, masanting yang pamikatagon ini, bang apakit na rin kayanakan ing karelang talento ang gelingan.
Ako paniwala ako, this is one way na I-encourage lalo ding anak to communicate more, especially nowadays. Sabi ko pin, na ding anak mas focus lang ka rin gadget. Minsan nita communication skills daw mawawala. So ako, I'm very grateful and very thankful kay Soroptimist International of Guagua na naisip din yung programang ini. And sabi ko pin na the local government of Guagua will be supporting yung programang ini.
Kaya ben naman ka rin participants ng anak na ning metong a caregiver kay Israel ay naizi. Di-dedicate niya kanuing kayang pyesa para kayang ima.
Engage in nature. Develop a deeper connection in nature by spending time outdoors. Learning local ecosystem.
Samantala, lumaban niya ang winner kayanakang virtual international competition na marapat king December 10.
What we like about this is that they don't have to travel. We don't have to, sustainable competition for this one. We don't have to travel by air. It's a Zoom competition for all 11 countries everywhere in the world. So it's such an empowering project of Soroptimist International.
Iniing pilot run na ning global competition at masaya la rin miyembro na ning Soroptimist International of Guagua uling ilang may piling representante niya ning banwa.
How Soroptimist International of Guagua got into this competition is that we answered the survey, and out of the 300 plus clubs of our federation, Soroptimist International of the Americas, we were selected as the only representative for the non-Commonwealth countries. So it's such an honor to be in the pilot run. There will be 11 countries who will do the global competition on December 10. December 10 is Soroptimist International Foundation Day. So imagine Philippines will have a representative from Guagua. And I was telling the girls when I was talking to them, if you win, the name will be your name, your school, and then Guagua, Philippines. That's how we will put it on the screen.
Ako, ingkya kayong talasuyo. Liana Kanilaw, ating pusong makabalin.